gonna be really stupid. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it won't be. I don't know. Oh, it's still recording. It's recording now. It's recording. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. I'd like to thank you very much for your anticipation. And yes, I am wearing a unicorn onesie. Yeah. Fucking wings on back, man. Flap those bitches. But, I wonder if I can put this on YouTube. Maybe. I don't know. But yes, I am currently... This is my laptop screen, right here. But I'm looking this way because I have a monitor, because my screen... There's a crack in it, and I have to get it fixed sometime. So... Yeah, this is a gaming system stuff, whatever, blah 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 blah. But yeah, see, going to lift up my... Oh shit, I don't know what that was. Stop your mission. Stop your mission. So, see, my screen, I don't know what the hell that was. It keeps beeping, stuff keeps falling over. Oh no, oh no, oh no. But yes, I am actually... Fucking hell. Fucking hell. What the fuck is this? Oh, yeah. Yeah, probably help. There we go, okay. Oh, I don't have a time limit on this thing, do I? Oh, shit. What? Oh, it tells me how much is free and how long I've been... Available length 2 days. What? What does that mean? What does that mean? Maybe I'm poking stuff now. But anyways, how's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Doing good? Yeah? Tell me about your day. As we look upon our screen, we see that you're having a lovely day. You look beautiful. Ah, look at you. Look at you. That's right, I'm looking at you. Don't you try to move. I'll find you. But, I was actually recording this because someone wanted to actually hear the sound of a human, what a human sounds like, and I was messing around because I was role-playing on a site, and so they wanted to know what the Hargy sound is. Hargy. Why do I keep on doing that sound? Because, well, I'm role-playing with furries and other things. So I thought, you know what? They have a sound. You know, what does a fox say? But, I'm not a fox. No. No, I'm not. Clearly not a unicorn. Clearly. And so, I am going to actually upload this to YouTube, to my YouTubers, so they can see this. And maybe, I don't know. It might work, it might not. I don't know. But it will be in a little adventure. We all like adventures, you know, because that helps. Being out in an adventure, and why is this? I don't know. Oh, okay. So, yes, so the human sound. If I can get to where I was going to be. Alright, there we go. The human sound that I was making. Actually, you have to go through the nose, into the lungs, well, into the throat, and then out your mouth. So it would be like, Herky, 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 Herky. I know, stupid, but effective. Seeing as, you know, everyone has their own little snazzy pants little sound. Ooh, steam powered giraffe. Anyways, I can't. No, I'm not going to sing like I usually do on my channel. I haven't done so much on my channel, and I'm sorry for that. And I should really start doing some more. I have done some stuff on Twitch, um, though my videos apparently did not show, so that's something. That's sad. Uh, I am no longer trucking. As you can see, I'm actually in a house, well, apartment, doing good. So that's that, and I will stop and see if this will actually download. So see you in the funny papers. No, no, no. What was my outro? I haven't gotten shit. I still haven't gotten my outro, haven't I? Have I? No. 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 Maybe. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. I don't know. But anyways, I will see you next time. And yeah.